So today we are going to see the part 4, that is here the chain rule from the calculus part. So we will see only a few examples on this one, and it's a small one. So here if y is equal to f of u, and here this u is g of x, then this is the rule, dy by dx is dy by du, this dot means multiply by du by dx. This is the rule, this is the chain rule. So now see here, this is an example. Now f of x means this is y. So 2x cube plus 7 raised to 6. So we dy by dx means f dash x, that is what? First we will take dy by du, means this whole part. So the derivative of this is going to be n x raised to n minus 1. So this 6 will go here. X will be, this part will be as it is. N minus 1 means that will be 6 minus 1, that is going to be 5. So this dy by du, this is the part. And then we want du by dx. This u means only this part, not the exponent part of it. So what will be the derivative of 2x cube plus 7? So this will be, 2 will be as it is, and this x cube means this is n into 3 x raised to 3 minus 1, and plus 7 means this is going to be 0. So this is going to be 6x, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 6x squared. Hope this is clear. So u means only this part, not the exponent part. So now let us look for the next one. 3 divided by x square minus 3 square. So if you are using the chain rule for this one, so what are we going to do here? F of x, now let us rearrange this one first, because this is the in the form of a division. So now if we take this numerator here as it is, but this part, the denominator, if I take it to the numerator, so the power becomes minus 2. So whole this will be same, only the power will be minus 2. So now this is again in the form, we can use the formula for the chain rule. So here f dash x means dy by dx, that will be, first take this whole part, the derivative of this whole part. 3 is already there. So see here 3, and this is n. So n means minus 2. So x square minus 3, this is x, this whole part is x, and this will be minus 2 minus 1, because n minus 1. So it is going to be here minus 6, x square minus 3, put a bracket, and this will be minus 3. Hope this is clear. If you want, you can write this one step and then write this one. And then now we want just the u. So this, whatever is in the bracket, this is the u part. So x square minus 3. So this is going to be what? The derivative of this is going to be 2x, and this constant means it is going to be 0. So this is going to be 2x. So now what are we going to do? We will multiply this into this, is going to be minus 12x, and this thing is, the exponent is minus 3. If we take it to the denominator, it is going to be plus 3. So hope you got this. This is the answer. So we will see more of the example in the next video, so of this type. So here, because I just wanted to introduce the chain rule, so I just give you just an idea by giving you the 2 examples. Now let us see here, first thing, the derivatives of the algebraic functions. So always, first thing you should know the derivatives of this one. So say f of x means here, suppose this is a constant, so derivative means f dash x, that is going to be 0. So if it is x raised to n, that will be x raised to n minus 1, the derivative of that. Root of x is 1 by 2 root x. So now this is many times confusion. So how we get 1 by 2 root x? So now see here, root of x we can write as x raised to 1 by 2. So here now we know this rule, that is, this is n. So this will be half x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. So n minus 1. So 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 means it is going to be minus 1 by 2. So this is going to be half, and this x raised to minus 1 by 2, if I want this to remove the negative sign, so first thing this will be, if I want to put it in the denominator, this is going to be positive over here, and same thing I'll just write it over here. So that will be half x raised to 1 by 2 means that is going to be root of x, but that is in the denominator. Hope you got this. Suppose you forget this formula, so you can just do it in the rough and check how it is, because you know this, and only the thing will be there will be 3 steps extra. So hope you got it. Root of x is 1 by 2 root of x. Now we will see with the derivatives of the trigonometric functions y is equal to fxn dy by dx. So of sin x, that will be the derivative is going to be cos x. For cos x, that is going to be minus sin x. For tan x, that will be sec square x. For cot x, that will be minus cos x square x. For sec x, that is going to be sec x tan x. For cosec x, that will be minus cosec x cot x. So now let us see the derivatives of logarithmic and exponential function. So whenever there is log of x, the derivative is going to be 1 by x. E raised to x, that is going to be the same, e raised to x. When it is a raised to x, it is going to be a raised to x log of a. So this is different. So just look at the formulas. So the examples I'll give you in the next video. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other part. Thank you.